Yeah, new scary story, part 4 of Miguel, the Microwave Man. Conclusion. After Christy and Brandon replaced Miguel with another chef, they called Miguel to pick up his last paycheck, but Miguel is angry. First of all, y'all let him go. He was your best cook you ever had, make you any type of meal you wanted, and now you replace him with someone new? That's what Miguel's thinking. That's messed up of y'all. He traps them all in a hotel, referring to Miguel, and takes his time going to different rooms. Miguel fights random guys and things get crazy. So after he gets fired from his cooking job, he's never the same. He takes out all his anger on some of the customers and people he don't like. People try to hurt him with everything in the building, like pictures and mirrors, clocks, and other stuff. Miguel gets damaged and his metal bones start to show a little. His strength is too powerful for them. With his bionic body, he throws a man through a television, through the TV, and picks up a heavy dresser, like this one, and slams it on someone's head. Ugh. The guy is lucky to be alive. Whoever got smashed by that. Ouch. Miguel opens his face as it splits in half and a small oven device pops out. So imagine his face opening up like this. And then the oven thing comes up. That would be freaky. Yeah. Cool, but creepy. He bites a married couple like a mad dog. But he don't bark or nothing. He's just biting them with his head open. And shocks them. They're like, ah! With electromagnetic radiation. The same type that the microwave uses. That's how we got this nickname, the Microwave Man. They scream, referring to this married couple. They scream and pass out unconscious, fall asleep. A family is scared and hides in the elevator. But Miguel finds them and uses his hand like a forklift. He gets into the elevator. He breaks in there. He threatens them if they call the cops or try to stop him. He tells them, you better not call the police and you better not try to hurt me or you will regret it. You can't stop me. I feel no pain. You know, he might tell them stuff like that to discourage them, make them fear him. Miguel sees the children cry. Mommy, Daddy, I don't like this guy. And when he sees the kids, Miguel calms down and goes away. Something about the kids that get to him. Meanwhile, Tanya is afraid that Miguel might hurt or kill her mom and stepdad, you know, like as a possibility. So she calls Miguel's number. Miguel gets happy when his phone rings. He stops scaring folks. So he stops trying to go after people, hunting them down. And he smiles. Ooh. He's like, Tanya's calling me. I wonder what she wants. Does she miss me? You know, he's probably thinking to himself, how are you, baby? She's like, how are you, baby? She asks him, how are you, baby? Says Tanya, I'm sorry I broke your heart. I'm sorry I broke your heart. The last time we saw each other, when I found out that you were a cyborg. Yeah, she says, I'm sorry I broke your heart the last time we saw each other, when I found out that you were a cyborg. That's what she tells Miguel on the phone. I never dated a man like that before, who is part machine, she says, while Miguel listens to her patiently. Miguel did not murder no one, so he did not kill no one, even though he beat up some people. But he did attack some visitors that got on his nerves. He explains all of his actions to Tanya, and Miguel acts like a sad child, you know, when they do wrong, but they want to make things right. Tanya is able to tame Miguel with her soft, kind words, like a circus trying to make a tiger jump for them. So Tanya has her special way with Miguel. Only he could only her can make him feel better. You know, besides God. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Miguel feels bad for the trouble he caused the hotel. Christy and Brandon decide not to press charges. Tanya meets Miguel somewhere and thanks him for not taking no one's life. Tanya is uncomfortable with Miguel being messed up physically, because now Miguel is hideous, deformed, you know. Part of his skin is ripped and you can see the metal. He's got a blue bionic eye that's glowing on his left eye where there used to be a brown eye. Tanya is uncomfortable with Miguel, but Tanya kisses him. She shows love and says, let's fix you up. Let's fix you up. I forgive you. I forgive you. She forgives him. The end. So it did have a happy ending to this scary story. Hope y'all liked it, and glory to God.